is relaxing. Talofa, everyone. In this video, we are on video chat with the brothers and family who couldn't be here for the Fa'alavilave. We drop off some food from the Fa'alavilave to the guys that came to support Mose and Rambo at the service earlier today. We also get ice cream at Samoa's and do a bunch of shopping for family back in Upolu for Mom to take when she goes back. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Woo. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Do you want to hit that light switch? Hit it what? Thank you. Whew, Vevela. It is warm. Ooh, feel it. The security is sleeping. Vevela, too hot to work. Huh? Oi? Oh, hi. Isi ana.
Ka ngisi oi. Fa ngau wala ingo.
Oh, yes.
Ai maloa ia ko le uso e. Alofa ma foi ko kamai.
Hello?
So songi.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. That's Mark. Okay. Mark. Hey.
Wala ako ma.
Samoan.
Vivella.
What did you say?
Vivella. Vanilla. Do you think 1 scoop or 2 scoops of that? Just get her 2. Yeah, just 1.
I'll get the orange.
Yeah, I'll taste your orange. Oh, too low, too low. Oh, Manaya. Right.
See?
Me or Rambo? Okay, so then 1. Too low.
Yeah. Same. Yeah.
So good.
Same. Mom said vanilla.
Yeah, Mom said vanilla.
Kasih scoop. Yeah. Kasih dia vanilla. My orange. Boleh.
Take that one out? Okay.
Tidak pemain Facebook. Alam dah ke masa ambil buku kuah.
Okay, son.
Mari. Mari sini, kesku. Mari.
Okay. Yeah. God bless you.
Ya, Pak. Farmasi.
Pak,
Awata.
Lovaku.
Okay. Lofak. Okay.
Pak.
Kia. Lofak ko ya outen. Faya outen kami kaya. Pwede mo kumot ko ina.
Lovaku.
Ya.
Big. Lo pe,
Okay,
mam.
maku siya.
Lo fak wedo. Iya. Ya lo fak. Ya, we really made pemel.
Okay. Nice to talk to the boys. Four screens. I was like, what did you say? 4 screens. 4 screens. Okay. All right, thank you, Rambo. Oh, this is a big store. Big store.
Chris, can you
Huh? Oh man. It's so oh my gosh. There's crushing. Crazy driver. Okay. Did some shopping back in Leone, Polo. But they wouldn't let us video inside. So
Yeah.
that's their loss.
We didn't buy this year, so I don't know why.
I know. I guess they probably for competition. I don't know. Sometimes.
I can just buy it and then go say, oh, it's cheaper than the other ones.
Yeah.
This one.
I know. Got some nice stuff, some toys, some clothes, and then some drinks for us because it is hot. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Whew. You know what? I'm gonna run in here real quick just because they have this kid stuff. Maybe they have the walker. Need a lot of arms.
She's got a strong.
Oh.
Whoa. You gotta pull down and lift it.
Yeah, 45. Okay.
45.
Yeah, that one, Mom? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that one is good.
So you're gonna take this?
Yes. Pa mole mole? Just park wherever.
Oh, I used to be a speed demon at night.
That costs you less. I'm running our errands and shopping, holiday shopping today. Let's see what they have. We need a bin for Mom to take the stuff. Oh, this way, Mom. Too low. Okay. Wow. Okay. Those TVs are expensive over here. Yeah. Compared to back home. No. Oh, this. Let me see. Some toys.
Oh, there's fishing poles.
Yeah. Let's go see. Huh? What's that one? 65? Yeah. Is that? You want to get one?
I don't know. Let's just look for that thing.
Okay. I see. Do you want to ask? Should we ask? Should we ask? That's the freezer. Chest freezer. Excuse me. Do you have the bins? Like the storage bins? Oh, just this? This gray one?
What about these? Maybe these.
Yeah.
I think this. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I do. There was one of the grocery stores has them.
Huh?
One of the grocery stores has them.
Good places.
like in Pago?
Did you see him?
I'm sure I saw it.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Very sure.
one of the ones we go into. Well, that black and yellow one anyway.
Yeah?
Yeah. But is it big enough?
Black and yellow should be the big one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Saya siang lah.
Okay. Yeah, we can get that. Case of ramen, $9. Bowl noodle, 25. Hot and spicy. Oh, but it has, yeah.
Positive.
All right, so small haul.
And some stuff for the kids.
Got Mickey
Mickey. Yeah, and some
candies for the kids and for the fight day out. Jet. You guys smile. Smile. Oh, mom disappeared.
yeah. Yeah. Cheese ball.
Oh, cheese balls.
Cheese balls and the Kool-Aid.
Oh, cheese balls and Kool-Aid
Yes.
on the wish list. Is that you, babe? Oh, Kool-Aid? Gotta be this way.
I know I saw it
Yeah,
somewhere here.
it's gotta be down with the dry stuff, though. Right? We're looking for packages?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's down, gotta be in the dry stuff. Cheese balls. Kool-Aid. Ice. And then fresh bread for us at the house. Hey, buddy. No. Okay. guys still sleeping? We're exploring the gardens. Outside. Oh yeah? On the outside? Oh yeah. Mom and I had some dinner. Mom had a plate and I had pa'alawa mabaka. And then Mose just got back from training. Exploring outside of our room. Oh, look at this one. Aiga. Thank you all so much for watching this quick little video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We really appreciate you all the support, and we'll see you in the next video.